Hello. So last year during May we have visited Pench Tiger Reserve. Pench is located 100 kilometers from Nagpur, which is well connected by rail and air.
So this is one of the MP tourism resorts which is located very nearby to the Turia gate, and we are having this beautiful cottage over here. As you can see, I'll be going in. So this is the room. It has a very beautiful blue star AC. Has a TV also powered with Airtel, where even I'm able to see Bengali channels. And this is the most beautiful part. This is a veranda where you can just sit and relax your day out. This is the jungle that we are staying in, just outside the Kipling's court. We are currently into a viewpoint which is made in Kipling's court, just outside the cottages. As you can see, it's surrounded by well thickness of jungle. This is really beautiful. If someone really loves jungle, then you must come once here.
Okay, so after a relaxing time in pool and a great lunch, we are ready to start the evening safari. So we have booked all the safaris from the official website. Do you know tigers used to clean the leftover meat from their claws by licking first and then scratching and rubbing it against the trees? And that's also another way to mark their territory.
बहुत सही पोज दे रहा है
क्या पोज दिया है? मतलब क्या सीन है?
दूसरा बच्चा भी उधर ही है।
So we just saw a little cub playing in the salt lick. Meanwhile, this bison came and frightened him. So the little tiger just ran away. Because of its white and weird look, this tree is called ghost tree. Aha! So we had a great session in the evening safari with sighting, and now to our surprise, Kipling's court has planned a evening high tea. And you know you can request for a bonfire too if you have a big group. With the sunrise and the fresh morning, we are ready to start our second safari. Most resorts in Turia Gate gives you packed breakfast which can be taken during the safari break. Do you know the chances of sighting a tiger in Pench or in Tadoba is very high during this summer because all these natural water bodies and the salt licks are situated closed and alongside the safari roads, and animals used to have their water during early morning or evening. Rest of the time, due to high temperature, they keep shelter in shady areas.
पानी में जाकर बैठ गया।
So you hear the sounds of peacock and monkeys chirping. This is termed as callings, which signifies a tiger is close or making a move. So let's hope we can sight again more clearly this time. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions on planning this trip, please feel free to ask me on the comment section. I'll be helping you out with all the contacts.